Okay, so yesterday we were considering to close out shorts at lower levels. Well, I hope we have done this, and to assemble another short, because there's still going to be another wave 5 because of what we're seeing on the 4-hour chart. That short is going to be always below level 1. We're looking at dividing our, suppose I was going to sell one standard contract, for instance, or 3 minutes. I would have 1/3 of that at 154.8, another third at 154.5, and the final third at 155.2. Okay, the next level that we're going to be testing is 151.7. We all remember this. We're just checking back on that analysis, but the market is still a sell. I don't think this is going to be impacted by the release tonight. The only impact we're going to get is that, of course, United States dollar is going to be moving up against the yen. It's going to be weakness in yen, could impact the same relation with sterling against the yen. And so we don't really need to go into technicals or the longer term technical picture. We just take the 4-hour chart to see the validity of the trigger. It's very valid, like you see. We're just at oversold, and therefore what we're seeing on the 1-hour chart is just a correction that is going to be moving lower. Yes, gold is a drop, it will drop, but it's not a sell. Okay, so we're looking at that 1-hour chart that is currently affecting the market, actually the exact effect chart that is actually somehow playing out on the market, and we're going to accumulate shorts at these levels. We are looking, of course, at 154.5, 154.95, or 154.5, 154.8. There's possibility to see 155.81, but it's a bit premature. We're just looking at 150. Sorry, this is a stop. We're just looking at 155.3. So you want to short now at 155.3, 155.8, that level here, and 155.3, sorry, 154.8 and 154.5, 154.8, 154.5, 155.2, and 155.3. Stop is at that point 155.75, 155.8. We did this since yesterday. We're very sure, so probably about it. At that point, if we get that high, you're seeing, of course, an inverted head, and you want to reverse and get out on the right shoulder. But what's expected tonight is just profit taking. I don't believe what the Federal Reserve will be doing is going to impacting this market. These are solid short entries. There is turmoil in the United Kingdom because of what's going on with Boris Johnson, and that investigator that they have is actually going to deliver her report, I believe, today. They're even considering a new prime minister. So this is the Chancellor of the Exchequer. There are, of course, all new rumors, but you would consider the market feeds on rumors. The Chancellor of the Exchequer is actually of Indian origin. He's married to a billionaire's daughter. Would do a very good change in policy, because Great Britain is trying to expand in the East, in India and in Australia, after doing that Brexit deal with Europe. They're looking, of course, for newer markets and newer influence. So it's all political, but currently sterling is pressurized by these politics. So we're looking at 155.4. We're about to get that entry at 155.5 and 154. So again, 0.5, 154.8 and 155.3. Next target levels, as already advised earlier, are going to be what we're seeing here on that 4-hour chart, and on our pivot projections, 151.7, 151.8, 151.6. You're looking at 151.7 here. So we want to be efficient with take profits there. There's going to be a bounce again at that level, we think, according to these projections, although these cycle projections presumably related to momentum.